This is our company's 3,800 square meter factory. We can see that there are many machines neatly placed here, including laser welding machines and laser cleaning machines. Now, the camera cuts into our welder. He is welding 2 mm aluminum plate. He has adjusted the best welding power before welding. The next step is very simple. The power of our company's welding machines are 1000 W, 1500 W and 2000 W, which can weld various metal materials, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, low carbon steel, aluminum plate and copper. Preview: next time we weld 3 mm stainless steel, we will conduct a strength test, so please follow me.